1, 2, ready, start. Another one, ladybug, ladybug. Are we ready, Sebastian?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, start. Soldier ant. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, ready, start. I'll play a little introduction. This was Sebastian with improvisation. So let's create the song about beautiful summer day. The sun is rising. The birds are waking up and chirping. Butterflies flying. Flowers blooming, and now you create your story. There's a boy who went outside to enjoy the day.
That was nice.
Yeah, this was nice. This is Sebastian. He's learning how to improvise. Today was improvisation on black keys. Yes, I'm Miss Elza Ritter. Sebastian, how old are you?
7.
He's 7. Okay, we just started recently.
Yeah.
Great progress. I'm so proud of him.